What makes Marcom Robot a unique landing page builder? All landing page builders were not created equal. Legacy builders offer a simple way of creating landing pages, but in the new decade, simple is no longer enough. Here are the 3 things that make Marcom Robot stand out. Number 1. Smart presets. This is how it works. You can select default colors, fonts, create header, footer, and other default components. As the result, not only will your team be saving time creating new pages, but also all of your landing pages will look consistent with your brand. 2. Lead enrichment. Marcom Robot offers you a better way to collect additional intelligence about your leads. The lead enrichment feature automatically adds more data points to your lead profiles. For example, website address, industry, company size, location, corporate social media profiles, and many more. 3. Email validation and quality scoring. This feature helps you check email addresses provided by your leads and gives you a quality score for every email. That way, you can easily identify bogus email addresses and disposable emails that can be removed from your CRM, marketing automation platform, or email marketing tool. As a result, you're delivering better quality data to your sales, reducing the risk of hitting a spam trap and saving on storage costs. Learn more about our products by visiting marcomrobot.com today.